how you can get your WhatsApp account unbanned and easily log in back again. So the problem might be caused because you might have violated some kind of privacy and policy. And in that case, the only thing you can do is contact the WhatsApp support team and tell them that it was by mistake and it was not your intention to violate those rules. And also the other thing that you might be facing the problem is because you're using a third-party WhatsApp to get extra features. So that's why they have banned you from logging into your genuine WhatsApp app. Now, in that case, the only option is also contacting the WhatsApp support team. Now, to do that, just open your web browser and search for WhatsApp support. Tap on this contact WhatsApp, and from here you can tap on WhatsApp Messenger support, contact us. It will get you to a contact page where you have to enter your phone number that's associated with your WhatsApp account, your email address, and confirm your email address. It has to be an email that you can access right now. So once you do that, you can choose your device and enter a short message below telling them that it was not your intention to violate any kind of rules. It was by mistake and you'd like to have your account back. And if you tap on next step, you can submit this ticket. And under a day or two, the WhatsApp support team will contact you back on the email that you've entered here and come up with a possible solution for you to get back into your account. And that's how you fix the problem. If you found the video helpful in any way, hit down below and like the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos, and turn on post notifications so you get notified about all of the new updates. I'll see you on the next one.